Hello, dear students. How are you all today? I hope you all are fine. Okay, now let's start today's class. Today we are going to start chapter 2nd of computer. Okay, in chapter 1st we had discussed about different parts of computer, and this chapter we will talk about hardware and software. What is hardware and what is software? So second chapter name is hardware and software. Okay, now you all know that computer is a very amazing machine that can do different types of job. You know na कि a computer can perform different types of jobs, like we can use computers in different fields at our home, school, library, offices, okay, in airports, railway stations, okay, and many other fields also. Okay, so for doing all these types of work, for working in different kinds, a computer system need different parts also. Okay, it need different types of parts. So these parts help a computer to perform different tasks. Okay, we can categorize these parts in two ways. Okay, first is hardware and second is software. Okay, so in how many ways we can categorize the parts? In two ways we can. First is hardware and second is software. So let's talk about hardware first. What is hardware? The physical part of a computer which you can see or touch are called hardware. Means the physical parts of computer that you can see or touch, आप देख सकते हैं and you can touch them, are called hardware parts. Okay, like a human body is consist of different parts, different body parts. Some are outer body parts which are visible, okay, but there are certain parts inside our body also, like our brain, lungs, heart. Can you see them? No, but these all are the part of our body, but these parts are hidden. These parts are inside our body, you cannot see and you cannot touch them. Okay, similarly a computer has some parts, hardware parts, that are outside, and some like monitor, keyboard, that you can see and touch. Okay, and some parts are inside the CPU. Those are also hardware parts, but we cannot see and we cannot touch, but you can see them and you can touch them when you will open the CPU. जब आप CPU box को open करेंगे, then you can see those parts which are inside the CPU. Okay, like I am telling you some names like memory chips and ALU chip, okay, processor chip. These all are the internal parts of CPU. These all are hardware, but they are not visible outside. Okay, they are inside the CPU. Okay, so in the category of hardware parts, we will talk about input devices. Okay, input devices means the devices through which we can give instructions and command to the computer system. In chapter 1 we had discussed about some input devices and some output devices. Input device, like we had discussed about keyboard. Okay, so keyboard is a input device, and we had talked about monitor, so it is an output device. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn about some other input devices, like first is keyboard, scanner, mouse, joystick, light pen and microphone. These all are input devices. So understand the meaning of input devices first. There are special types of hardware devices that are used to input words, numbers or pictures into a computer. Okay, these are called input devices. Means using these devices we can input word, number or picture into a computer. Except this, we can give command also. Like using mouse, we mostly give command to the computer. So this is also a very important input device. Okay, so about these devices we will discuss one by one in the next class. Okay, so for today your task is to revise what is hardware and to learn the name of these input devices. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye bye, take care.